Welcome! This is a video to explain how to play this game. This is an escape room activity on the topic comparing three-digit numbers. If you read the directions, it says to compare the numbers using greater than, less than, or equal to, you must type A for greater than, type B for less than, and type C for equal to. As you can see, the first three questions are revealed, and at the bottom, the rest of the questions will not be revealed until the student enters the correct answer in. So, for example, I'm going to type B, I'm going to type C, I'm going to type A. And all of a sudden, the next three questions are revealed. Now, once you enter the three answers here, the other three questions will be revealed. And it will continue that way. And you're going to see the scrambled word show up here once the kids have answered these last three questions. Then you'll see the scrambled secret word come up here, and the kid or the child will put in the correct answer. So, whatever the scrambled word is, once the child figures it out, the child types it right here, and then it'll say, you have escaped, or something of that sort. So, in this resource, you have the digital escape room, which is this Google Sheet activity. And then you also have the notes right here, which are so cute. And you also have the worksheet printable that has the questions and then also the answer key right there. So that is it.